Hello everyone. So in this video, I'll be showing you how we could use Getx package to manage the state. So Getx is a very important package which has many use in Flutter. That means you can use it for managing the state or managing the route, and you can separate your business logic with the help of Getx package. So today we will be learning how you could manage the state of widgets using Getx. So let's start. So let me show you what I have done till now. So I created this two screen, home screen and detail screen, and whatever data we will pass in the home screen, it will be displayed under detail screen. Okay. And if I press this button hide, it will be hidden, and if I press this button show, it will be displayed. So how I am doing this, basically I used stateful widget that you can see here. This detail screen is currently a stateful widget, and I created a variable is visible variable which is currently true, and I'm toggling this variable during on pressed, and I'm doing set state. So with the help of a stateful widget, I'm doing this task. But we will not use the stateful widget. We'll be using stateless widget, and we'll be using Getx to manage those state. So let me show you how we can do this. So what you have to do, you have to go to your YAML file and you have to add the latest Getx package from pub.dev. You can see here I copied this version and paste it over here, and you have to save the file till the package is getting installed. After successfully install the package, you have to use get material app other than this material app. Okay, so you have to use this get material app and you have to import the Getx package. So let me manage the state of this detail screen using this Getx package. So let's convert this as a stateless widget, and let's see how we could manage its state. So let's remove this details page and create a stateless widget and named it as details screen. And let me import the material.dart package, and let me paste this whole widget tree. So now you can see here there are lots of errors over there. One of them is set state. We cannot use this set state. Let's remove this set state, and this is visible during on tab. Let's remove this is visible variable also. Now let's take a parameter over here, final user, and let's import this user, and let's create its constructor also. Let's make it as required. Now let me do one thing. Let me remove this widget dot. Okay, so I think we are good now. So now what we will be doing, we'll be creating this is visible variable under Getx controller. So let's create a class in the name of details screen controller, and which will extend Getx controller. Now let's create this variable is visible and initially mark it as true, and we will be doing this true dot obs. So what this dot obs does, it tracks the variable. That means we are saying the controller that track this variable, observe this variable. Whenever the variable is getting changed, observe it. Depending on it, be it will be it will change the state of widget. Okay, so let's use this variable in our screen now. So let's create a variable which will be called detail screen controller. We'll do get.put and we'll be putting this detail screen controller. Now another task we have to do, the widget tree. How much widget tree is getting changed, we have to wrap those widget tree under this obx. So this much of column was getting changed, so we wrapped it under this obx. Okay, now we will be using this is very visible variable which is declared in our data screen controller. So we declare data screen controller. Let's see, is visible dot value will get the value of it. So let's use it in some other place also whenever is visible is present. Okay, so now if I run the project, you will see nothing is getting happened during on press of the button. So basically we have done nothing during this on press. So let's do something in on press. So we will declare a method over here which will let's name it as toggle visibility, and we'll change the is visible. If the visibility is true, then make it as false, and if it is false, then make it as true. Okay, basically change toggle the visibility of it. So if you can see here, if I provide my name and some random number and save it, will be displayed under data screen. But if I press hide, nothing will be there. Now let's implement this hide button functionality. So what we have done, we have declared a method toggle visibility, and which is toggling the visibility of this. I mean, it is toggling the value of this visible is visible variable. So let's call this method from on pressed. So detail screen controller dot toggle visibility, and now we'll be getting the expected result what we want. So now you can see the details is getting displayed. If I press hide, it will be hidden. If I press show, it will be displayed again. If I press hide, it will be hidden again. So in this way we can manage the state of widget using Getx. So there has some three steps. I mean, some steps are there. First, we have to use the get material app. Then we have to declare a controller. Which will extend the Getx controller, and three steps we have to put this controller, whatever we have done here. And four, we have to wrap the widget which is getting changed under this obx. Now we will able to manage the state of widget using the Getx. So this was the very basic explanation. If you want more, then comment, then we'll get more videos on Getx. Thank you. Bye.